Alright, y'all, we're down the mini for my Scentsy Razz. There are 10 spots at $5 a spot. Let's copy our list and go live at 11:09. It's 11:09. Let's paste our list. We have 10 spots. We need a 4 or higher. We have a 7. Here we go for the first time at 11:09. After the first time, there are 10 items on the list. Lisa Rayner's on top, Hannah's on bottom. Dice calls for 7, so here we go at 11:09. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the 6th time, there are 10 items on the list. Noelle's on top, Heather's on bottom. We've randomized 6 times. Dice calls for 7. Here we go for the last time at 11:09. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, here's the order of our list. Let's check our winners. Spot number 1 gets 25 spots. That is Miss Pam. Spot numbers 2 through 9 get 2 spots each. That's Hannah, Naomi, Lisa, and then Lisa again. Crystal, and then Lisa Rayner, and then Anna, and then Heather. And then spot number 10 gets 9 spots. That's Miss Noelle. So congratulations, y'all. There were 10 items on the list, and we randomized 7 times. Dice 4 and 3 did call for 7. We are done at 11:10. It's 11:10. Congratulations, winners. Here's our list for the last time.